Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today is our unboxing for July, so stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Today is our unboxing for our July company. Man, this year is going by fast. For Year of the Beard. Year of the Beard, 12 companies, 12 months in the year. Each company gets their own month of only their products going in this beard. Nothing else, no other products are going in this beard other than the company for that month, their products. So this month, if you didn't see the title, this month is Wildside Beard Company. So this is our package. This is what we got to get into. I don't know what all's in here, but this is what we're going to be using for the month of July. So yeah, you're not going to want to miss this. All right, so let's get into it and see what the guys over at Wildside sent for this month. So I have used Wildside in the past. It's been a little while since I have used products from them. So I can already smell something here. Whew. And it smells good, whatever it is. So we've got, let's see, which I told them what I had already used. So hopefully they didn't send anything to double up what I've already used. Let's just get everything out of the package and then we will do some first impressions. Now, if the bottles don't tell me what the scent profiles are, you know me, I'm gonna try to guess it because that's what first impressions are, right? I didn't look at the website before I did this, so I don't even know what the different scent profiles are. Try to keep all my trash together. So far we've got 3 oils. Try to get into all this. 4 oils. Some balm. And it's a lot of stuff. Thank you for participating in Year of the Beard. If you're new to this channel because of this video, I'll put a playlist up top for Year of the Beard. There's been a pile of videos already, and actually just busted the seal on that one. That worked out. And each company has gotten their own month and some really good products that we have used so far this year. So, all right, let me get all my trash together. All right, so first thing, we have a koozie. Check this out, always love a good koozie. Nothing on the back side. Wildside Beard Company with the website. We have the business card and a sticker, pretty good size sticker. And Doug, thanks for doing a month-long review of our products. Hope you like them all. Stay wild, Jason. And here it is, discount code 15% off, Beard Outdoors 15. So we'll talk about that again throughout this month so you don't miss out. But Beard Outdoors 15 for 15% off. So let's get into this. We'll start off with the oils. So the first one we'll look at is Campfire Candy. Give it a shake. I've heard about this one, but I don't remember what the scent profile is. So we have an amber glass, kind of a cloudy. Oh my. I get kind of a, maybe chocolate? Or is that a coffee? Oh, it's good. It's kind of sweet. That's a good one. Let's find the balm. Campfire Candy, where are you at? Campfire Candy balm. That's what our balm looks like. Okay, it's a little more subtle, but it's something sweet. It smells really, really good. All right, next let's go with Duck Blind. Let's see if we can get this open. Give it a shake. So the label here, camouflage, Let's see. Ooh, that one is kind of, maybe eucalyptus? Woodsy. It's kind of a woodsy note with some eucalyptus in there. But it smells good. It's kind of that outdoorsy scent. Again, I didn't look at scent profile, so I'm just guessing, and I may be way off on that. Sometimes my nose works really well, sometimes it doesn't. So the balm looks just like the last one. Kind of an off-white color. See, this one just smells a little woodsy. I don't get the eucalyptus. I don't get the eucalyptus in that. So, all right. Next, let's go with Simple Man. So Simple Man, just a plain, it's called Simple Man. So you get just a simple label. Let's give it a shake. Ooh, what is that? I can't pinpoint it, but I can tell you it smells good, and it's something, I should know what this scent is, but it smells really, really good. Really good. I'm gonna have to look these scents up and see what they are. So there's the balm, looks like that. And again, looks the same as the others. It's real subtle, but it smells really good. All right, and then lastly we have 2-Bit Barber, and I think this is a newer scent from Wildside. I'm gonna guess because it's called 2-Bit Barber, it's gonna be our barbershop scent. So, oh my God. All right guys, if you like a barbershop scent, this is it. I ain't even put it in beard yet, and I can tell you that is an amazing barbershop scent. Let's see what the balm smells like. So there's the balm, kind of a purple logo on the front, and then on the back you've got the barber stripes. So this one's a little more white than the others. That is barbershop. That smells so good. All right, and then lastly we have a beard wash from Wildside in this awesomely cobalt blue bottle. What is this? 4 ounces with the pop top. I'm gonna leave that sealed up for now since I'm out here, got to get in the house. And it's smells like just an unscented, organic and unscented. So we'll be using that and checking it out. So 4 ounces will definitely get us through the month, and check it out, see how it lathers, see how it does for cleaning. But I don't get anything other than kind of that shampoo soapy smell, but no scent whatsoever. Now I do not know if they offer this in a scent. We'll talk about that when we do our review of this. But anyway, that's what we've got for the month of July. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys are as well. Don't forget the discount code if you want to go ahead and jump on over and make a purchase. I will put a link to Wildside in the description, and you can go check them out. But I can tell you, these are 4 really good scents. I did not smell one out of bottle that I did not like. So it's going to be a good month. Got to figure out what order that I'm going to use them in. And you know how it works. When I get more than one scent at the end of the month, we're going to be ranking these as to which one of these 4 is my favorite. And yeah, you're not going to want to miss this month. It's going to be a good one. So until next time, guys, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.